Are you relocating to Oklahoma City and ready to buy a home, but you're not sure if using a local lender is the right choice? Then this video is for you. I'm going to share 5 benefits to using a local lender when buying your next home, so you can make a more informed decision on the lender you choose before you get pre-approved for a loan. Hi everyone, my name is Canedy, and I'm a realtor helping buyers relocate to the Oklahoma City area. Now let's get into it. I want to start off by saying that there are often pros and cons to any decision we make. The information in this video isn't to persuade you to only consider using a local lender or to say that all local lending is better. The information in this video is just to highlight some of the pros to using a local lending service that you may not have given thought to before. Benefit number 1, you can get a lending program more tailored to you. Local lenders know local lending. Real estate is a localized market. Just as you wouldn't use a realtor specializing in beachfront houses out of California to show you apartments in New York City, you might not want to use a lender who isn't very familiar with your state's lending guidelines and contracts. Local lenders are, and they're often very familiar with state-level lending programs they might qualify for, and some of them even specialize in certain types of loans. For example, Oklahoma has lending programs for rural housing and farming communities, first-time home buyers, down payment assistance, there's tribal loans, and larger lending institutions might not show you these options because they might not know as much about them. Benefit number 2, you can increase your chances of getting your offer accepted. Why? Well, in the Oklahoma City area, sellers have shown they're more likely to choose an offer that uses a local lender because these lenders are usually working with fewer clients at a time, and they know other professionals in the area and can often get your transaction closed more quickly. When there are problems with lending and closing dates have to be extended, it gets really stressful for everybody and costs can start adding up. Most sellers want to stick to their moving out date as close as possible, and having a local lender on your pre-approval letter can give the seller a sense of security, whether that's realized or not, and is one of the ways to make your offer more appealing and get it accepted. Benefit number 3, hands-on problem solving. Because the lender physically works in or near your city, this person can troubleshoot problems on the spot. For instance, when no one at the county office answers the phone after days of contact attempts, your lender can visit the property in person to get the information he or she needs. They can solve your problems much more efficiently than a national lender can. Benefit number 4, you can get more personalized service. Local lenders work and live in the community you want to buy in. They have personal and professional relationships in the community, and they usually care about their reputation. So good or bad reviews can do a lot to their business, and these lenders usually want to make sure you're happy with the service they're providing and might give your transaction more attention than a larger chain bank would. And sometimes they even have perks that can extend to you, like a discount on a home warranty. Benefit number 5, more of your money stays more local. Why do you care about this? Well, that's a good question. When you choose to use a local lender, you're also making a choice that a lot of your money in this transaction is staying in the community you're buying in. That's a big deal because it helps boost your local economy. There are a lot of people involved in your loan process, and these people shop in the community, they pay county and state taxes, and a lot of local banks give back to their community through scholarship or sponsorship programs. And all of this helps support the financial health of the area you're trying to move to. This can translate into more diversified educational opportunities that are offered, prettier streets, community events, all the things that might make living in your area more desirable to you. Hopefully I've given you some insight into ways you can benefit from using a local lender, should you choose to do so, when you relocate and buy your next home. My next video will show you how to close on that home when you're living out of state or overseas and can't be at the closing table. If you are relocating to the Oklahoma City area and would like recommendations for local lenders, or have more questions about the process of buying a home here, click the email link below and we'll be in touch. Thanks for joining me today. Happy house hunting. See you next time.